What up, YouTube? I'm gonna do my almost 1 year update in Vegas. Finally found some time to make a video. We got winded out today, so it's super windy. You might hear some wind in the camera, but Vegas is awesome. I got a lot of stuff to share, so stay tuned right after this. So yeah, almost 1 year now. I think we're more like 3/4 of a year, but I'll do a little update video. This is the house we finally got into. It was a journey. This isn't like a full tour. I'm actually just walking back to the back patio where I'm watching TV and editing this video. Just got home from work. Like I said, I got winded out. Vegas actually has some crazy weather, and it actually gets cold too. Everybody thinks Vegas is just hot, but it gets windy, so that's why I'm here. But love this house, love the area. It's awesome, man. Love the neighborhood, a lot of friendly people. But so here's the job site. I didn't come on this job site to be a connector. I actually took like a welding call slash do whatever call. They helped me out tremendously. Big shout out to Chris Edwards. He was the superintendent at the time, and he was manned up and didn't really even have a spot for me. Work was kind of slow, but I told him I'd do anything. So here's a video of me and my partner Daniel decking this crazy sphere. Some of the hardest work I've done in my career has been on this job. It's a very difficult project, but it's been fun. A lot of good ironworkers I've seen out here. The stuff we've done on this project has been crazy, and the heat, like when we're picking up this, it's probably like 100, 110 right now, and it's on our shoulder and it's hot. Like if you touch it long enough, it's burning you. So Vegas isn't no walk in the park. There's a lot of good ironworkers, and the stuff we're doing out here is not routine ironwork. It's not simple connections. It's not easy deck. Like look, that deck is a high-low with a spreader bar. It's insane. This is the clips I just showed were of the project a while ago. This video actually is like more of what we're doing right now, and like I said, nothing is routine out here, and this job's just like eye-opening and mouth-dropping. The crane on the left is the crane I'm working under. It's an LR 1300. The fourth largest crawler crane is actually on the right. It's a DMAG 8800. I think they said they shipped that crane from like France or something. Don't quote me on that, but the crane in the back that you can barely see, the other yellow crane that's farthest away from us in the video, is the brother or the sister crane of that 8800. It's this DMAG 6800. But all three of those cranes are bad to the bone. I actually like the 1300 because it's faster, and the operators out here all can throw down too. So work in town isn't super busy, so anybody is on this project, and I've just been like blown away of the overall just like skill that all the ironworkers and operators just it's been insane. It's like throwing down with like the best of the best. When they talk about 433, there's a reason why they're talking about 433. But you can kind of see on the like where the sphere turns gray, where it's all like concrete. There's like little mini tower cranes around. There's actually 6 of them. They're actually little swing stage rigs, and those little things, those little like assisting rigs are sweet. You can actually, they have a winch system that they can pick stuff while you're in the swing stage. We use them just to access for the horizontals, and then like the roofers used them to put the roofing on. We're actually about to dismantle them. As soon as we get to the next lat, as soon as we finish the lat that we're on right now, all the way around, we have to dismantle and take down all those cranes so we can proceed to keep going. Because all these tubes meet all the way at the top. I don't even know how we're gonna make the top. Like it's gonna take a bunch of false work and shoring and stuff, because this tube skeletal structure on the outside is not tied in to that sphere at all. It's free floating all the way from the ground. So when we were at the base, it was pretty stout, but now at lat 7, a whole nother raising gang on the other side of the sphere will be beaten in a horizontal, and we'll be able to feel every movement that they're doing. It's sketch. This job has had some sketchy moments, but it's fun. The skills that the ironworkers are developing by completing this project will carry us throughout our career. But enough about work. This is a video of me and my wife on our anniversary. We took a helicopter ride over Vegas. It was awesome. There's the Raiders Stadium. Since we've been here, we've had our anniversary. We've had Halloween like you're seeing now. Halloween was awesome in our neighborhood. We also had Christmas. We had some family come down, and Vegas doesn't disappoint on holidays. There's always something to do in Vegas, and it's not always just partying and drinking, and there's a bunch of family stuff to do, a bunch. And then youth sports out here is crazy too. Zayden's football team got second in nationals this year. It was an awesome ride. It was good, super fun to be a part of. He had a blast. The whole family has a blast. Wrestling out here is pretty crazy too. A lot of the big tournaments go to Vegas. So when we lived in Oregon, we would travel to Vegas for the big tournaments and stuff. This is Zayden winning Western Regionals. But yeah, here's Zayden riding a bull right now. Like I said, in Vegas, there's always something fun to do. Like at the Pains as a whole, we are always out and about trying to have fun, and you can do that every day in Vegas as long as you have enough money. It's expensive. But here's Zara and Zayden going down a bouncy house, a water bouncy house, and Zara just rips down there going 100 miles an hour. But my whole family has loved it. I mean, we miss our friends and family back home in Oregon, but the cost of living in Vegas is cheaper. There's no state income tax. The flow of traffic in Vegas, you can pretty much get anywhere from Henderson to Vegas in 30-ish minutes. The highway system and the roads are really wide. It's a good quality of living, and it's always sunny, so you can always go outside. I mean, if you can hang with the heat, and we just walk around with a hydro flask and some flip-flops so you can go in the water like what Zara's doing right now. Or Zayden and his friend, this is one of his friends from football. His name's Jerry. He's a good kid. They're doing a swim contest. I think Jerry ends up not being able to finish. Almost drowns on me. Yeah, Zara's learning how to swim now too, so it's fun. Here's the dolphins at the Mirage. The volcano at the Mirage. Zara was super scared of the volcano. But like I said, Vegas is crazy. If you had to pay me a nickel every time I said crazy on this video, I bet you'd be a millionaire. But this was also on our anniversary right here. Zayden and Mama going to a Raiders game. This is the wife at Area 15. That's a sweet spot. Zara being a trooper and watching her brother play some football. Yeah, Zara's the cutest. Again, Zara watching some football. Sorry that it's been so long since I did an update video. I know that I always say that I'm going to start making more videos, and I really do need to start making more videos. It's important to me. It's super fun. I understand that you guys want to watch the stuff that's going down in Vegas, and I'm going to start posting more, I promise. So this video is about to end. Thanks for watching, and comment down below.